Create a triangular pattern like this in Photoshop super quick. Go to the Tools panel, select the Gradient tool, go up here, select Classic Gradient and click this gradient. This one is blue, red, yellow. Set to linear. Go to the Document Center, click and then drag, but only drag for a little bit and release. And that will create a strong red line in the center. Then go to Window and Libraries. Go to the bottom, click the plus and Extract from Image. Go to the Patterns, go to the first one here and then go to this triangle and just drag around and just drag so the red is right in the center there. You can see now the pattern design. Click Save to CC Libraries and then close the panel. In the Libraries panel you'll see now a captured pattern. Right click and then Apply Pattern. Then set the scale to 25 and then click OK. And there you have it, quick triangular pattern. Save the pattern preset, right click again and create pattern preset.